What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aegis Armors. Today we're looking at this 1999 GMC Sierra in this pretty cool looking color green. As you can see with this ceramic coating on it, that green actually pops a lot. And we'll have some pictures up a little later of it out in the sun. Hopefully you can see all the flake in it because I think it's going to be really good. But yeah, just get in a little bit what we did to it this week. It came in, the owner had it painted at a paint shop, and you know, it didn't get sanded out correctly, so it was very orange peely. It just didn't have any gloss at all. The paint just wasn't finished out. So he brought it to us to fix that and to put our ceramic coating on top to protect that new paint job. You'll see the pictures, we'll throw some up here, and even afterwards there'll be a lot of pictures of the process we did. But we did essentially a 3-stage paint correction. 2 of the stages to begin with were wet sanding it, you know, a heavy grit and then a little finer of a grit, and then we finished it out with a polishing compound. So yeah, doing that 3-stage, we took down a lot of the orange peel and a lot of the haze out of the paint and gave it this nice glossy look you can see here. And then of course we put our Aegis Armors 5-year ceramic coating on top of it to enhance that even more. So it's super glossy now, and then it's gonna make it easy for them to wash too. So yeah, we do have glass coatings and wheel coatings on this one. We didn't do that though. We just did the paint coating, but in this case, this is all we need to make this thing look awesome. Again, as you can see in the before and after pictures, these things just changed an incredible amount. It doesn't look anything like what it came in as. Honestly, it looks like a brand new paint job, brand new truck. So yeah, the only other thing we did to it this week was put a Cerakote coating on all the black plastic trim around. And that's going to enhance that black color, richen it out a little bit, and then make it easy to wash as well, get hydrophobic properties. And then finally finishing this thing off with our Aegis Armors Black Widow tire gel. And that's a no sling tire gel. It's going to be applied in a satin or a gloss finish, whichever one you decide is best. But yeah, really that's about everything we did to this truck this week. And hopefully you enjoy the before and afters. We'll see you next time.
Hey, my name's Frank. Today we're going to talk about the maintenance on these vehicles that we ceramic coat. This doesn't really just apply to our ceramic coat. Our products work on any car that's got a ceramic coating on it. Once a car has ceramic coating, you'll basically rinse the car every couple weeks. Then you'll take a foam can, apply our foam Fury or our Spectrum, which is a ceramic-based soap, adds a little more gloss. Basically let it sit on the car for about a minute, rinse it off, take a leaf blower and dry it. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a 2-bucket wash using grip guards, of course. After you get done with that, you'll take our Aegis Armor Renew, which is our maintenance coating for the ceramic. You'll take 3 microfibers, wet one, wring it out, spray the Renew right onto the first microfiber, the wet one, wipe it onto the vehicle, let it sit for about 15 seconds. wipe it off with a dry microfiber, buff it with a third dry microfiber. That's all the maintenance that has to be done on the vehicle. This product can be used on glass, wheels, paint, plastics. It's kind of a one-stop shop. On the vehicle that we just did in this video, we also used our Black Widow non-sling tire gel. This can be put on in a satin finish or a high gloss finish. For the do-it-yourself crowd, we've also got a couple products over here. We have Shield, which is a 6-month coating, and Shield Elite, which is a 1-year coating. This one is applied actually like you would apply real ceramic, doing a 2-foot by 2-foot area. Let it sit for about 15 seconds, buff it right off, last up to a year. If you have any questions about ceramic coating, even if you're not in our area, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to help you out and answer any questions you have. Thanks, have a great day.